Hello, my name's Wendy Robinson and I'm the Academic Dean for Students at the University of Exeter. My workshop this morning was on the Success for All strand of the new education strategy. Over the last 3 or 4 years, I've been working with colleagues to improve and refine our academic tutor framework at Exeter, and we've now developed this idea into a strand which encompasses the idea of success for all, where there are various pillars such as academic tutoring, peer support and tutoring, a curriculum which is inclusive, and most importantly, we're aligning this with the really exciting work we've been doing on developing our effective learning analytics platform and the student and tutor dashboard, which will be a really valuable tool to enable tutors and students to have informed, evidence-based discussions about students' academic progress, their transition into university, their progression and their success. Success for All is going to be a really key part of the education offer at Exeter, and it's about how we scaffold academic support for all of our students so that they can be the best they can be.